Sometimes when we have a function, we have a whole set of numbers we want to process through the function. For example, here I have a function which takes x and maps it to x squared. I have a set of numbers here which I want to process. If I take 1 and put it through the function, squaring it, I get 1 squared, which is 1. If I take 2 and square it, I get 4. If I take 3 and square it, I get 9. And if I take 4 and square it, I get 16. The set of numbers here was the input to the function. The numbers that we input to the function are given a special name. It's called the domain of the function. The set of numbers here were the numbers output by the function. This set is also given a special name. It's called the range. So for this function, the domain was specified to be the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and the range was the set 1, 4, 9, 16.